Good morning, class 12th. Now, today we will solve the question number 15. Okay, this question is related to the object passing. So, what is in this question? So, one array is given, one variable is given. So, this variable you will use to store the size of the array. And say third in function you can see combine. This is a what constructor. Okay, so constructor is which type of constructor? Parameterized constructor to assign the size equals to n. The next function is what? Input array. So next one is what? Sort. Next one is what? Mix. In mix you can see two objects are given. Okay, same thing. How will you solve this question? So now come on here. Here you can see first one, this is the second part. This one, class combine, you will write simple one. Okay, then one take the array. Here this is a constructor. Okay, so what the given in constructor, always you will see the question. Okay, so I know the question, that's why I'm doing here directly. So combine int and n. So what will happen here? N should go in size. Okay, so now next one is here, com equals to new int size. Already com, this one you have defined before na. So here no need to write. Here simply write here com equals to new int size. So what value in size, what value will go in size, that will be initialized here. Okay, now come on the input array. In input array what will you do? You will enter the numbers in array. So simple, this line you can write inside, no problem. So I have written here, so enter the numbers, then for loop, and this is a way to store the number in array. So now next one is a sorting. So you know how will you sort? So given there selection sort. So sorting means what? Two loops you will use for sorting. So finally you can see the array will be sort when you will call this function. So now the display function I have written, you know this one. Okay, display means what? You will display the array. So I am doing here only for the one array. So what will happen when you will call the mix one? Okay, so here you can see mix function is given here, combine A, combine B. Okay, so you can understand from the main. So look here, two objects are required in mix function when you will call mix. So my dear, how many you will make here? 3. You know this one, na? So first one is what? Combine OB, combine OB1, combine OB2. So look here. So OB1 dot input array, because OB1 created for the first object, OB2 for the this one. Okay, so when you will create OB1, so one space will be allocated, and you know na, constructor will be called automatically. Constructor will be called automatically. You know this one, this constructor, and then size will be initialized 10. I am sending from there. So one array will be allocated here. One array will be allocated here. You can see when you will call input array, तो OB1 array के अंदर values पूरी सेट हो जाएंगी, then OB2 array के अंदर values सेट हो जाएंगी, then you will call mix. So when OB1 will go in A, OB2 will go in B. Okay, so when OB1 will go, तो it will go with the array जो एंटर आप ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं. OB2 जाएगा यहाँ पर, तो वो अपनी वैल्यूज़ के साथ जाएगा. देन व्हाट विल यू डू? You will create here OB4. OB4 means what? One another space you are creating. So you can take this size in this array. This one you will write here 20, because two arrays को combine करना है. So how will you combine the arrays? Combine array means in first array will go in this, or this two arrays given here. So what is the meaning of combine? First these values will go here, then suppose finish here, then it will come here, then it will come here. Means this is the meaning of combine. Means what? दो array आपस में मिलकर यहाँ आ जाएंगे. So now, so how will you combine here? So first array in OB1, second array in OB2. So now you will call OB1 is as A, OB2 as a B. So now OB4, fourth object created. What is the size of array of this one? 20. Okay, so now store the numbers. So I0, I is less than a डॉट साइज. a डॉट साइज मीन्स a का साइज की बात कर रहे हैं हम. ओके, a अरे मीन्स व्हाट, जो OB1 था, OB1 जो ऑब्जेक्ट था उसने जिस अरे को स्टोर किया हम उसकी बात कर रहे हैं. तो एक डॉट साइज. ओके, सो द अरे विच वन इज इन OB1 उसकी साइज की बात हो रही है. देन इट विल गो इन OB4 डॉट कॉम आई. ओके, OB4 जो आपने बनाया है, OB4 का अरे का साइज क्या है, 20 है. देन कॉम 0. सो दिस इज अ कॉम ऑफ द OB4. सो OB4 कॉम 0 पे आएगा ए का कॉम 0 ऑब्जेक्ट 1 का. सो ऐसे ही 10 फिल हो जाएंगे. देन व्हाट विल यू डू, अगेन टेक द J0, J इज लेस देन B डॉट साइज. अब उसके आगे कॉम 4 ऑब्जेक्ट के अरे में अब B का साइज आना चाहिए, तो B का साइज ले लिया. सो देखो OB4 डॉट कॉम आई, बिकॉज व्हेन आई कंडीशन जब रॉन्ग होगी, सपोज 10 लिया है तो I 10 होगा, तब आप इससे बाहर आ जाएंगे. सो हियर I इज़ वॉट 10. सो 10 पे B के कॉम 0 जाएगा. then I will be 11, 12, something. And finally what will you do, when you will close these two loops, then here you will write OB4 dot display, because OB4 dot display when you will write, so display कॉल होगा लेकिन OB4 के लिए यानी 20 प्रिंट होंगे. क्लियर? You can also just before the display you can write here, before I am not written here, just before the display you write here OB4 dot sort. इससे क्या होगा, what will happen, firstly sort will call and array will be sorted and then call the display. Okay, so do this one and try to understand. If any doubt you can call me. God bless you. Thank you.